Three newly appointed EM of Tipra Motha were given honor by Tipra Employees Federation Sadar Political District Committee on Monday. The event was inaugurated by Chairman of TTAADC Honorable Jagadish Debarma by lighting a lamp. Three newly appointed EM of Tipra Motha were given honor by Tipra Employees Federation Sadar Political District Committee on Monday at Sachendra Memorial Hall of Lefunga. The event was inaugurated by Chairman of TTAADC Honorable Jagadish Debarma by lighting a lamp. MLA Vishuketu Debarma was invited as a guest in the event. Tipra Motha President Bijoy Rangkhol was supposed to attend the event as a chief guest. Likewise, Opposition Leader of Vidhan Sabha Animesh Debarma, CEM of ADC Purnachandra Jamatia, President of TEF Sunil Koloy, MLA Ranjit Debarma and MLA Shopna Debarma were also supposed to attend, but none of them show up at the event.
Chini 12 June 2023 Thamchani Shabu Khanai Bodol Tipra Employees Federation Sadar District Committee by organized Khajak. Recently, ADC Administration Khorang Total EM Yakaba Executive Member in the Khajakmani Boromganang Robindra Deborma Boromganang Ananto Deborma Boromganang Ronald Deborma Borok Khorang Chini TEF Sadar District Committee felicitation recognized. Motha conventionally I can actually file. So I am trying to know more TEF ni definition. On a quarter, Jotto Tipra Shabu Khanero, Hamcha one voice, one force crying. Political parties Rokno. Nankupmani Tiprasan Ibagi. The constitutional right, separate stating to other just ponong upon achievement Kanya Libagi, Tobak Rane Rokno, Moti Abro, Agdom, Shagbai, Mangbai, Kabai, Kubai, Hojibita Kajan. Okay, Omo, employees of me, Tini, felicitation ceremony program bang, and National Sanai, and a message tonight, employees of অনেক সামন ক্লাইমানো বড় সোসাইটিনি বড় এমপ্লয়িজ রকম অনেক কনফিডেন্ট নারগো অনেক চাজাগো দং ইবখবতে গোবাংমা নাংকুবমানি পলিসি अंथं नांकुबमानि लामा अंथं बড় खनुगो आं खाखायो टिएफ टिप्रासानि मानथाय सप्तानि जबाव दंनि गोबांमा पलिसि Obama intelligence ro boro chumno tampuno help kayane.
The event was attended by members of 5 block of Tipra Employees Federation Sadar Political District Committee. The program was ended by Thanksgiving speech for all the attending guests by advisory member Bikram Debarma. Reported by Animesh from Hejamara, Chini Khorang.